You better make sure that your break does not put a brakes on your preparation, I believe. And a lot of factors nowadays. We are so hooked up, everybody's so locked down, and we don't know what to do. We are so lazy, relaxed, every one of us, including me, और हम कर भी क्या सकते हैं, that's the one thought which comes in our mind, and which everyone feels, यार क्या करोगे, preparation is going on, it's just lazy, tomorrow is not the same day. So इन सब बातों को एक बार डिस्कस करेंगे, एक बार थोड़ा सा डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे, मतलब I just wanted to speak out, and the best we can provide it for you is something at this particular lockdown time, which is very mentally we are sad about this situation, all of us. We are not happy, we are relaxed, but we are not happy. We have holidays, we are not able to spend. We have a preparation time, we are not able to give the exam. So a lot of factors are there. I'm Kapil, I'm one of the academic head at Utopia. A couple of you know me, a couple of you don't. And so one thing was in my mind that I was thinking, it's been long, that everybody's writing down, let's fight Corona together. इकट्ठे लड़ाई करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे? I was thinking, I'm into the student community, and it's 100 kilometers, somebody's 100 kilometers far. How can I, or as an institution, as a team, can help together, or help the person, him or her? Somebody's at home, has no means. Even you cannot go to the local coaching institutes nowadays because distancing is allowed, not the meeting. It's a terrible situation for all of us. In that lieu, then we thought of with the team, we thought of with the academics, what we can do. So much in the mind. Then we had one idea clicked up. This is very economically slow down time, guys, and everybody's having a lot less resources. There are people who have less resources, so wanted to help out from those fronts. Thinking from those fronts, we came out as a program, which is something, you can prepare at your place. Then that was too much in my mind that I couldn't sleep. I called up my friends, I asked them what to do. I want to help. Then I just got an idea. The idea is that why don't we give them some kind of a testing system, or called as a discipline testing system, right? What do you mean by discipline testing system? There are things that you get in papers, and give the papers, answer them, and that's all, finishes. I want them to do this exactly same, but in a particular time frame. You got it? Because we have lost discipline. We've started eating together. We've started eating more. बहुत ज़्यादा हम लोग इसको रिलैक्स कर चुके हैं. But on the other front, जब आपके +2 के एग्जाम्स खत्म हुए, या कोई भी एग्जाम्स आपके खत्म हुए, then you wanted to rush for the course, और आपको कुछ करना था, that wanted to become a doctor, wanted to become an engineer, wanted to become a lawyer or a judge, or wanted to crack CLAT or NEET. Lot of factors in mind. Time कम है, we have 30 days, we have 45 days. Now you have a lot of days. Are you preparing? No, I heard no. Yeah, I'm preparing a bit, because the amount of efforts you're gonna put today in this particular time has much diverging that you don't have a time later on. You will have a very less time, guys. You have this time, you utilize it more. If you don't utilize it versus somebody's utilizing it, we'll have advantage. I want to become a doctor. Really? I want to become an engineer, a super class engineer. I want to become a all India ranker. Really? Do you put that kind of efforts to map up your, things, the dreams? All India rankers heaven se aate hain kya? No. They are same. They utilize. They're disciplined. They put an efforts on damn each every day. They know that tomorrow is going to come. I want to utilize this. This is not going to come. Tomorrow is going to come. Someday, some moment, say 100 days after, everything's going to be better. I want to write the paper. These 100 days, I want to utilize bloody every bit of it. Go exercise yourself, meditate yourself, eat healthy, stay well, drink water, everything good. Do yoga. But at the same time, prepare. Preparation 11 से शुरू हो जानी चाहिए थी. अब 12th के बाद अपन क्रैश करेंगे. We will become the all India ranker. Not possible. Efforts. Efforts देने ही पड़ेंगे. उसका कुछ कर नहीं सकते हैं. उसका कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव नहीं है. तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको डिसिप्लिन्ड एक टेस्टिंग सिस्टम में पार्टिसिपेट करना पड़ेगा. टेस्टिंग हो रही है पर डिसिप्लिन नहीं हो रही. उसका रिमार्क नहीं आ रहा है, उसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग नहीं हो रहा है, तो फिर क्या फायदा है टेस्टिंग सिस्टम्स का? What I believe is a disciplined testing system means we give you the test. If you want to, let's just solve your programming, right? 7 o'clock I want to give an exam. Sit at home, if it is of 1 hour, 7 to 8, keep the bloody phone down and write that 7 to 8 paper. Send back the answer keys to me. My team will correct it, send it back with the solutions to you. You have a doubt, after watching the solutions, you have a doubt, post me on the WhatsApp. Or maybe you can write down a comment or something, whatever the means to reach, that will be in touch with you. My team will be in touch with you. That's the best you can do. And if you don't do it, versus somebody will do it, who has an advantage? You have an advantage. Or he has an advantage. Of course, the answer is very clear. And the best thought behind is that we are giving it free of cost. Bloody, you don't have to send a single rupee. You don't have to spend a 1 rupee out of your pocket, out of your parents' pocket. Why? This is economically slowed down period. We understand that. We are there to help as an academicians. So that's it. And if you really wanted to, be a part of it, I think I'll give you the WhatsApp number, which is 98160603552. You will be getting a lot of text from us, a lot of SMS from us. Go to the, Facebook page, go to the Insta page, find out our contacts, and contact us. WhatsApp us. We'll be very, very happy to help you. And it's got a very limited seats, guys. I mean, maybe 100, 200, because this is what we can do the best. And I believe that you're going to take care of this system. You're going to do this discipline testing system. And soon we will bring you more surprises on the programs front. For the students who are there, who are 100 kilometers away, maybe at their home. Whether somebody's 100 kilometers away, whether somebody's living in Shimla, is of same things, because we cannot meet. We cannot throw that knowledge out, and we cannot gain. And I believe that it's your time to act, man. Or sit back, relax, chill out. And if you talk to your friends and they're gonna call, यार कल कर लेंगे, कौन सा पेपर कल हो रहा है, don't surround yourself with them. Don't, not at all. You have a dream, you gotta achieve it. If you're a super dreamer, be a super actor. You have to act. Act means doing it, execution. Do it. That's what I believe that, and I believe that you'll be able to do it. That's what I want. And no cost, man. So what's the deal? Go ahead, pick up your damn phone and WhatsApp us. Okay? We'll be, and we were starting in the first week of June, man. So we've got a very limited window. We got a call from a couple of students what we to be doing, sir. Kya kare? Kaise kare? One question, one answer. Put efforts. Sit. You were studying 2 hours, study 4 hours. You were studying 4 hours, study 8 hours. Study, practice. That's only the one thing. Anything you need to know, anything you want to know, you have a doubt, you have a problems, contact Utopia team. They'll be very, very damn happy to help you out, guys. And be safe. And save water, guys. Take care.